The cost leadership strategy is a business approach aimed at becoming the lowest cost producer in an industry. Developed by Michael Porter, the cost leadership strategy is part of his broader competitive strategy framework, which also includes differentiation and focus strategies. By achieving a cost leadership position, a company can offer its products or services at lower prices than its competitors, or maintain average industry prices to enjoy a higher profit margin. The strategy requires a keen focus on efficiency, economies of scale, technological innovation, and stringent cost control. Successful implementation can lead to increased market share, higher profitability, and a strong competitive advantage. Walmart exemplifies the cost leadership strategy by leveraging its massive buying power to negotiate lower prices from suppliers, which it then passes on to its customers. It employs a sophisticated logistics system, including its own distribution centers and trucking fleet, to minimize transportation costs and ensure efficient inventory management. Walmart's use of technology for inventory control and cost tracking, along with its focus on a no-frills store design, contributes to its ability to keep prices low. The company's scale and efficiency have made it the world's largest retailer, attracting customers primarily based on price competitiveness. IKEA has successfully implemented a cost leadership strategy in the furniture industry by designing products that are stylish yet inexpensive to manufacture. It achieves this through a combination of cost-effective materials, flat pack shipping, and self-assembly by the customer, which significantly reduces transportation and assembly costs. IKEA also controls costs by buying raw materials in bulk, investing in highly automated production to minimize labor costs, and locating its stores in less expensive areas outside city centers. The company's focus on cost efficiency at every level of its operations allows it to offer low prices and attract a wide customer base while maintaining profitability. Both Walmart and IKEA demonstrate that the cost leadership strategy is not simply about cutting prices, but involves a comprehensive approach to cost reduction across the supply chain, operational efficiencies, and a focus on scale. This strategy enables them to set themselves apart from competitors and appeal to price-sensitive consumers. Michael Porter's concept of cost leadership emphasizes that success comes not just from being the cheapest provider, but from managing costs so effectively that the firm can offer competitive prices while sustaining higher profitability levels than rivals. Companies like Walmart and IKEA exemplify how diverse approaches to cost leadership can lead to dominance in their respective markets. Before you go, if you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like and consider subscribing to stay updated with our latest discussions. I'm Dr. Dog, eager to hear your thoughts or future topic suggestions in the comments below. Wishing you a fantastic day ahead.